Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this series of YT Studio Dashboard Analytics. This is worthwhile for the creators who have their channel and they are running the channel. YT means YouTube channel, and it has got a dashboard. YT Studio dashboard gives you the highlights of your performance, right? And it also has analytics, and when you go to the analytics, you have the download feature as well, and you can download a report, right? So it can give you up to 500 results. Okay, so in our previous session we showed you that how you can use your Excel expertise to figure out that when were the last three best days, top three best days in your in terms of your videos performance on the channel, in terms of views, right? So you have other criteria as well, not only the number of views, you have the watch time hours and average view duration. You can use all these things and the estimated revenue as well. So just to start with, as a startup, we focused only on the view, number of views. The more we have, the number of views, the chances are that your earning may increase, and your this average view duration and also the watch time hours may also increase. Right? So for the basic thing is the views. If your videos are being viewed, then all these things can get improved, and uh, and your performance can be gauged accordingly. So, uh, so in this video, we will show you how you can further go to exceed. Further means if you want the details of this to be added further, means it is ending at 31st of July only. Okay, 31st, 1st of August, and then 2nd of August, then 3rd of. So the lowest range which it is giving from now, that is 31st of July. So let's take uh, the data, how to get the data which is not being shown here. So, okay, so that we have a complete history of our transaction in Excel, and then we perform the top best days analysis, right? As soon as we click, it will start working, right? So let's first of all bring the data before the date of 31st of July to 2023. So for this, we got to go where to the YT dashboard, YT Studio, right here. And in here, we are going to get to the analytics. You don't save site. Let's click on this so that it refreshes. In order to refresh your up to date. So the next is you go to the analytics. The next is you go to CMO, and here is what we are going to bring further days before the 31st of. Say we will go to the custom, and we will write say for example we write a 22. Okay, from 22 to, and here we will write the date which we want to limit. So that is what uh, 31st of July. So 30th July, 30th of July. So July is 7, right? And make it 30th here, 30th of July, and not 24. It is 23, right? So we want to extract the data uh, to get this. So these are 255 days. That's fine. So let's make it 21. So 1. Okay. So let's say how many days it is. 1 year. 255 days selected. Anyway, okay, it is doing some meaningless sort of things. Anyway, so this is 21st of from year 2021 to 2023, 30th July, because all the data after the 30th July we already have until now. Okay, so let's apply it. So you will find it is extracting it, and then we go to the date wise to ensure that we have got the data. So what is that? That is the 30th of July. That's right. That's what we wanted. That's right. And 29th and so on until, and the last one, that is 17th of June. Okay. Okay. So what we do, we download it. So that is going to show you at least 500 days entries in the Google Sheet, right? So if you see, it is showing you this is 17th of June. I think there's no more data. Anything was available beyond 17th of June 2023. So that's what it can provide to you. Okay. So we download it. Go to download. So this is being downloaded, and here we will open it to incorporate that data back into the Excel sheet. So this is the Excel. This is the sheet which has just been downloaded. So we are opening it into the Excel, and we will copy this data. Rather, we are going to add it, append it, right? Which is going to be appended until the next message showing top 500 results. Okay, so let's edit it. So this is the table data, and so we copy all this information until the last of, until the last. And let's go to the bottom. So these are the until the last entry. This is no more data is here. That's not. Okay, so we copy it and we take it to the bottom of our main sheet, right? This is the analytics software purposes. So that for analysis plus purposes, now we can go until the 17th of June. Therefore, until here, the system of YouTube is providing us. Maybe before that, there was no activity on our channel, right? So we take our start of our channel is dated on 17th of June, right? Okay. So let's see. Does it complete? Does it show you and see what happens when we go to this sheet and uh, the code should be working and get you the top 3 best days. Okay, so we click on it. So now it is updating it, and it is going to tell you that when was uh, the best days of your work. So this way you have gone beyond the system limit of 500 entries. You can keep on taking the data and merging that data into the table data here, and you will find the updated report. No need to change the report, or the program is already capturing it. Okay? And it is writing this formula until the last row. You can ensure it, yes, it completes. Yeah, and it has so for a day, you see, for the next, so these are 300 or the next day, that's right, 300. These are 154, this and 2 are 154. So the formula is already adjusting it to this, and that's why the report is already adopted. The report has already refreshed with the latest thing, right? So if you click on it, it will again start running, and it will tell you. It will get you the data within a few seconds. That's it. Okay. So this is the activity, and this is how you can keep on adding your data. And the same program, without any need for you to change the program, it will bring you the latest update of your channel performance, right? And top 3 best days. Okay. In our next video, we are planning that a beautiful report is still we can make in terms of like this, how many years we have, and year to year means month activity. We can see show and then plot a graph. Like for example, you have 2 years, right? So first year is so here you will write year, right, and the next you will write the months, right? So here we write months, right? In the month we will write January, and we can make it make 12 entries like this, right? So January of which year? Say 2023, right? So it means 23. So here we want, for example, views, right? In January, how many views are listed in February, in March, in April, and say in 2023, and this is going to be compared with 2024, right? So month-to-month analysis can be made, right? With a click of button. All you need to do is click on it, and you will find that this is updated, right? and it has done it. So I will look forward to your participation, your attending of our next session, in which we will show you how to get this wonderful report, which is going to tell you your month-to-month performance and comparison, annual comparison. January of 2023 will be compared with January of 2024, right? And also the entire year of 2023 total will be compared with that entire year total of returns. So this is going to tell you some more in-depth analytical information that is going to help you figure out that how is your channel performance with respect to the years and their months activity. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in our next session.